ran it back.
Guys, welcome to the channel. I know it's been a long time since we have uploaded. Nobody cares, and I'm playing with Mafia. With it. I'm playing with Munyama 62.
Guys, everyone knows, guys, I'm the real Mafia dog.
No, I am real Mafia dog, and I'm playing with Munyama,
Dude, I have a drone. What's wrong with
also known as Echo Kid.
I have a drone, you know.
Okay, and then guys, so today I'm playing some Call of Duty classics. So the game's gonna start.
Dude, what mode are you? You're a
This
first
is-
person?
Yeah.
I already have gun. What's wrong with you?
Bro, that's just going to be the lobby guns, okay? So this time, where are we landing? You remember what we always land at? Kill House!
Where?
Kill House, man.
Oh my god, kill out. I forgot.
What? You forgot about Kill House itself.
Guys, I'm a season 1 Call of Duty player, guys.
No,
With
you're
Surya, me and Surya are season 1 Call of Duty players. What the heck happened to this graphics now?
I love it.
Can we go to Kill House?
I marked it, so
Where is it now?
I marked it. Bro, it's been so long since we played Call of Duty. This guy has been so long. This guy doesn't even know how to play Call of Duty. You can see the man hovering about space. You forgot that itself.
Yeah.
Look down.
Yeah. I was already follow you. Okay. Fortnite.
Landed at Kill House. Where's my chopper?
You landed?
I'm going to. Where's my chopper? I want my chopper back. Well, I didn't land. Oh my god, the zip lines.
What's wrong with this?
Get up.
Come on.
I found a zip line, guys.
Let's go. I'm also near the zip line.
Zip line.
What the? Oh my god.
Well, I'm going to Kill House and getting my chopper because I love it.
Yeah, that's true. We both
I found a zip line to Kill House.
good for you.
Zip line.
No, not from Kill House.
Guys, it's been so long since we played Call of Duty. Oh god.
Guys, I just went to the same zip line. Guys, I'm gonna auto run because I hate it.
Okay.
Is there fall damage in this game? If there is, I'm gonna be so mad.
Gosh, this guy never played this game or what?
Dude, I'm a season 1.
Someone stole our helicopter.
Can you have auto shoot on this, please?
Bro, there's no such thing.
I just got auto. Thank you.
First blood.
I got some C4.
Oh, let's go. Dude, I already got 2 guns.
Oh my god, I got shotgun. Let's go.
Can you shoot?
It's not a shotgun, just kidding. Let me get
Guys,
all
I
of
think
this
you
ammo.
already have. Ooh.
Oh, I got a pistol.
Can you give me a shotgun?
I don't even have a shotgun, gosh.
Oh my god.
I was joking.
Ah, my.
Extendable. Revival. Did you die?
Revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Why are you shooting?
I don't know.
I think I'm shooting this. They're near me.
I'm searching for chests right now so I can get better guns. Oh, I forgot. Oh, okay, I see them. But go up here. No, I got shot.
Where are you?
In the building, gosh. Below me.
Engaging the enemies. Enemy down.
Take that, you
Did
boy.
you have auto shoot on?
Yeah, no.
You had to shoot.
Chip
Oh,
terminal
GKS,
is
you know
almost
that?
ready.
GKS. Bro, the G. You forgot all the guns.
Yes.
I hate you, guy.
I am that.
Okay, bro,
an enemy.
take the GKS, okay?
Engaging the enemies.
Got him.
I hate you.
You could have got him, but you don't.
What a freaking
The
GTA.
safe zone is
Bro,
collapsing.
what's the best? You just get it. I already have one. You get it. Oh, from a chest.
How? Can I ask you one more question?
Yeah,
How the hell do I shoot if this is shoot it?
bro.
It's auto shoot on. I don't have a shoot button.
Okay, then you have auto shoot on. I don't.
Oh, that explains it. Guys, I have auto shoot on. Let's go.
Just aim at them and they die. Do you want a chopper?
What?
There's a thing called chopper. Ooh, cool. Look at my gun.
Guys, what are... Guys, the only gun I remember...
Oh god, I love it. I love it. God, I love this gun.
Let's go shotgun.
Okay, let's see where we're going to go this time.
What the heck is this game?
Bro, we forgot everything. Launch base. We're going launch base. Follow my markings.
Where the heck is wrong? What is wrong, guys? I'm a season 1 player, and I started playing on season 1, and I just left the game, and now it's season 9. Like, what do you expect about it?
Like he's saying the day ago it was season the day
8.
before.
Yeah, guys, I logged in. I updated mine. Okay, it's a season 8. Can you? Oh, I forgot. There are already cars here. Dude, that's a basic shotgun. You want to get a shotgun, right?
No, I like the space.
How the heck? Oh, how the heck do I have
How am I 76 HP? Oh, that guy hit me now.
I'm better than you. I didn't get hit.
Hey, cause you were not even there near him. God.
No, I almost killed him.
What do you mean? I was the one who sprayed at him to death. I have recordings of it, okay?
I also have
Guys,
recordings.
bro, I have recordings of showing proof that what just happened, okay? I just sprayed at him with this
Dude,
gun.
even I have recordings that I
Airdrop
also
is
shot
coming.
him to.
Okay, a revival
The
flight is
revived
coming.
flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Airdrop. Let's go. Mark the airdrop. Mark the airdrop.
Where?
It's gonna. It's in. Oh god.
What happened?
Let me just reload. How do I reload?
Can you?
Reload. Okay. The airdrop will drop soon.
I'm just gonna go there. Oh, dude, remember the rocket place? That's the place. That's launch place.
No, yeah, bro. That is where I remember guys, can
went
you
there.
please comment down below where the heck is the chopper?
Guys, I think someone. No, that was a helicopter.
Yeah, I found a jeep. Yeah.
Can you drive me through there?
You just passed it, gosh.
Holy crap. Why did you say gosh?
Gosh.
Gosh, gosh.
Goshy.
Gosh.
Oh my gosh.
What the gosh?
You watch Jimmy Fallon or what?
What? I'm telling Josh for Joshua first. You just passed me.
360 drifting.
That's called 360 hitting. I'm in the car.
Yeah. Drift. Yeah.
You wanna kill me and me?
Hey, I am just a happy player who just
Dude, I took someone shooting.
Bro,
I took damage.
I just bashed one. Oh, that. Oh, that was you. I thought that was another guy. Can you drive? I don't feel good for this.
Dude, someone was shooting me.
Okay, just hold on to your guns. Hold on to your gun.
How the heck am I not getting sound?
That's a Type 25 guy. Type 25. It's a gun. It's a gun.
I know it's a gun.
Okay.
I understand it's a gun. Okay,
Get
I
it.
understand it's a gun.
Oh, rocket ammo.
What the hell?
I see them. Near him.
Dude, shoot him, please.
Yeah. Bro, he has a GKS. Come on, remember what's GKS.
I have a GPS.
Then take the other gun.
Dude,
I have the
P90,
best.
Let's go.
I have the best loadout. Okay, I have the best loadout. I found another jeep.
Can you ride it, please?
No,
The airdrop is coming.
the airdrop has delivered. Check every location where there is the airdrop. Found it. To the airdrop.
Where?
I marked it. Just go. Guys, this is my first time recording Call of Duty, but not the first time playing Call of Duty. Okay.
Guys, oh my.
Check out his YouTube channel. He uploaded some Call of Duty videos. I remember
I
that.
just uploaded one Call of Duty video that AK is multiplayer. Oh, that means I think I was lying to you.
Weren't you level 27? I am level 30 right now.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
I'm a ninja, so I can go wherever I want.
Yeah?
Yeah, I can grapple.
I am a medic.
No, you have a drone.
Oh yeah, I'm a mechanic, sorry. Both start with an M, okay?
You
Both
don't
start
know.
with an
You
M.
don't know what is it, reading or what? You have to go back to KG.
Dude, guys, this guy says that, okay, and then I beat him for it.
Reloading.
Like, I
Hey,
can go kill him.
you broke my controller. Okay.
So?
What do you mean? So that cost you $200.
Guys, this guy's in UAE and he says bucks, guys. Guys, please
Hey,
teach him sense.
nobody cares about what currency. You know which currency I'm talking about.
No, I don't. Oh my god. Godness. I think my bike is gonna die.
And I'm going to ask this guy, how the heck can you get Nintendo Switch? Recordings in Nintendo Switch.
Yeah, actually, that's why I never recorded. Dude, you can go check my YouTube channel.
I just found a zip line to take us
Dude.
up onto a mountain.
Help!
Use a zip line!
There's a guy down
Where? I came, where are you?
there. There's a guy. I just saw an enemy.
Oh, I'm getting hit, guys. I got it.
What the heck is he? I just saw him.
The airdrop is coming.
I threw a bomb.
Oh, my bike. My bike.
Oh, I threw a gas grenade. Hope there's no,
Dude, I'm just running away.
Bro, help me. Can you bring me the gun? I'm gonna die if you don't.
What gun?
I mean, can you bring me the car?
What?
He's in front of you.
No.
He's right here.
What's wrong
The
with
revived
you?
flight will arrive in
Well, I
1
was
minute.
spraying.
Okay, I got the kill. Sorry.
Does he have any meds?
Using adrenaline shot
Using
now.
first aid kit now.
I'm using a medkit, please wait.
Oh, that's also convenient that the airdrop's right below us now.
Yeah, I got a medkit.
Dude, there's an airdrop right below us.
Can I have its medkit?
I'm gonna have it.
Bro, I'm 41 HP. Give me a medkit.
Dude, you're 100.
I'm 41, man. It's written here itself.
Yeah.
Well, this thing's nothing, so.
Okay, what is this?
I'm just holding on to rockets if I find a rocket launcher.
There is a rocket launcher right in here. Dude, what gun
Chip
is
terminal is almost
Okay,
ready.
Pistol.
let's go to the diner. And I
Why
forgot.
are you shooting?
Bro, I used to Fortnite, okay? My jump buttons where the shoot button is, okay?
Get right. Okay, we're gonna be going on top of the mountain.
Yeah, I'm trying to find a way up. Oh, guys,
zone
make
is
sure to
collapsing.
subscribe, leave a like, and don't subscribe to Nihal666.
Guys, subscribe to Nihal X and do not subscribe to Makera.
We will find because our Minecraft game,
Shut up.
guys, the Minecraft game somehow it's broken. If you guys
Guys,
leave
Studio broke everything.
us as the guy who broke my controller. Okay, guys, it's saying like can't fix an outdated client. Can you please help me? Good. I want to leave. Okay, fixing right now. I have 23 ammo on my best gun.
Reloading.
Oh, bro, you know how
Half the
many
teams
people
are
are left?
eliminated.
One more person, the guy.
Airdrop
There's
is
one more
coming.
person left. Let's go.
What's wrong with you? That's your kill. What? How would... Dude, they're legit...
Oh, sorry, 32 people left. Guys, I am a bot,
wrong with
okay? I forgot how to play, guys. I forgot how to play. You can't
What's
blame
wrong
me.
with you?
You can't blame me.
We can't blame you for calling me a noob and not subscribing to me.
You know what? I'm going to pick up a GKS.
The revived flight will arrive in 1
Oh, let's go. I have 200 GKS ammo.
I thought you said I'm like, how?
Oh, there's no fall damage. Gosh.
Yeah?
I just dropped down
I don't
far.
believe it that there is no fall.
I'm really dropping down over here. And I didn't take a
Oh my
single...
god! Oh my god! I realized you can glide in this game. Oh. I have a pistol. I don't. Do you think I should use a pistol or a GKS?
Oh, thank you for the ammo.
Should I take a pistol or a GKS, guys?
Bro, GKS, man. What's wrong with you?
I do not know this game.
Bro, a pistol. In every game, pistol is so much fun. Except for me, I love pistols.
So,
Oh god, guys, I have low pistol. Oh god, there's people fighting. Sorry, you dead. Got him. Got it. Sorry,
Enemy
you
down.
dead. I got him.
Engaging the enemies.
oh, my drone is taking care of some stuff.
Thank you, drone. Well, I got 5 kills. Let's go.
Oh my god, AK-47, let's go.
I hate it. 47.
I dropped that for a GKS, okay?
Wait, I need to reload my guns.
What? There are only 22 more people. Guys, this might be my first Call of Duty day. Okay,
Fast?
won.
Bro, we won so many times.
In Munyamma, guys. Guys, I brought an iPad.
Hey, Munyama is my account, okay?
Can you please follow me? There's no volume.
I'm behind you.
Okay, that is-
I heard shooting. I heard bullets. Guys.
I just saw a tank. I'm going for it.
Airdrop is coming.
Airdrop arrived somewhere.
Okay, I found a tank. I'm going for it. Dude, I can ride this tank. Let's go.
I will be the one shooting all the bullets. Attack! It has infinite ammo, so we better use it.
Okay, I'm sorry. So you can use, right?
Come on, I wanted to shoot.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Just shoot everyone.
Go in some side.
I'm very bad at driving.
Dude, save this
First and second I thought this is a tree, man.
Chip terminal is almost
I see
ready.
the airdrop. People might rush it. No, people might be there at the airdrop, so it's better to
Let's camp over there. Oh my god, there are
The people behind you.
Careful, the enemy just used the flash shield.
Engaging the enemies.
Bro, the skill. Bro, there are people everywhere. What is wrong with you?
people in the back.
Oh god.
Engaging the enemies.
I was shooting at you by mistake.
I realized that.
I was shooting at you.
Okay, the airdrop's right there.
Wait, let me just heal up.
Using bandages now.
Reloading.
Bro, I'm trying to heal up.
Using adrenaline shot now.
Dude, there's a
Bro,
lot of.
do you have any meds? Do you have any meds? I need meds.
I do not know how to look at men.
Bro, just click on your backpack and
The
use
revived
find-
flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Come where I am.
I'm using literally all of my meds. Yeah, let me use all of this.
Oh, like, okay, I have more.
Okay.
Okay. I got more meds in a
Can you
money.
just drop me one? Like, drop me one piece of med just in case, I die again.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, here.
I'm just running and dropping stuff, okay?
Drop me a med.
It's 2 okay.
And Andrelinian. I swear to God, that only gives like 1 HP.
Dude, I just got 150 HP from that.
Bro, you have so many, things.
I gave you 2, okay?
Okay, I will stay with that. I'm hiding in this house. I got some grenades just in case you need to grenade.
9 more people.
Heavy ammo.
I'm just
It's been so long. There's another purple GKS
where?
here, but we have a golden one.
Wait,
so
what? I don't have it. I have a golden
bro, go onto your map and tap it.
SMG here. Level 4.
I'm gonna delete my marking.
8, 7, 6. Oh my god, if 6 people left, I'm gonna auto run everything.
Not 6, man. Do math. 5.
Okay, before there was 6, okay?
Okay, just camp through these windows.
I'm gonna run in circles so if anyone comes from back.
We are in the center of the circle. Okay, I see people.
The last revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Dude, they're coming, they see us.
I see them. I'm scared.
You think
I see. He's on me.
where?
On me. Come to me. Where are you?
Beside you, you know.
He's right down this level. Don't throw grenade. I throw grenade.
Okay.
Down to the last 5 teams.
God, Pippy, let's go.
Well, I just informed everything.
Okay, dude. Oh my god, I thought there was one more guy left. So sorry.
Oh, I see him. I see a guy.
Chip terminal is almost ready.
Okay, there's
Reloading.
another guy.
Shoot him. I'm low.
Enemies near.
Right, okay, good. One guy died. I'll search for the surroundings.
Dude, that guy's reviving the other guy, dude. We have to
He
go.
died.
No, not yet.
He's right. You can see his case right
Loot
there.
box there.
Zone is collapsing.
Okay, there's a guy there.
Okay, guys.
Hello?
Guys, in this part of the video there's a disturbance, so just don't mind it. I'm going to end the video soon, so I'm just going to talk until the video ends. Well, yeah, we didn't show you guys, but we actually won it. I'll keep the picture of the win, the victory.
We won another one after that match itself.
Yeah, guys.
Subscribe to Nihal and not Mafia Nation. Sorry, also subscribe to Mafia Doc instead of Mafia Nation. Subscribe to Mafia Nation.
Subscribe to Mafia Nation, and guys,
Subscribe to
also
Nihal and get my new
you're gonna get the
merch.
dub anyway, guys.
It's
You
in
don't
the
need
bio.
to have any much.